In this demo, I will be showing you how to value match your colors in order to get started on Project 2 version 2. For this portion of the project, we will be keeping all of our values the same, and instead, we will be relying on temperature and saturation to create contrast in our image. The easiest way to get started on this project is to just start testing colors. Remember, you need to mix at least 6 different colors to use in your image. To start, I have grabbed 6 different paints for my set. 3 warms and 3 cools. All of the colors I grabbed from the set are really bright. And since we are relying on saturation to create contrast in this image, I will go ahead and dull down 2 of the colors. I dulled down the blue color by adding a little bit of orange to it, and I also dulled down the pink by adding a little bit of green to it. I am using complementary colors to dull them down. On a piece of scrap paper, test your colors and let them dry. It's important for comparison that you place them right up against each other. Once your colors have dried, see if you can tell which one is the lightest in value and which one is the darkest. If you are having trouble seeing each color's inherent value, try squinting your eyes. And if the colors are blending into one another, chances are they are very similar in value. Right now I would guess my orange is the lightest and the violet and green are the darkest. And if you're having a difficult time seeing each color's inherent value, you may take a photo of your color samples and turn them black and white. This will help train your eye so you can see each color's inherent value. And just as I thought, the violet and the green are the darkest and the orange is the lightest. I currently have way too much value contrast in these colors, and they won't work for my painting. Probably the easiest thing for me to do is to lighten most of them up so that they match the value of the orange. I will do this by simply adding white to all of my colors except for the orange. So let's mix in some white and retest these colors. Although it might look silly, it is helpful to squint your eyes as you're mixing your colors in your palette. This will give you a bit of an idea as to what their values might look like. Okay, how did I do? It looks like I might still need to add some white to the violet and that dull, cool pink next to the orange. They still look a little bit darker than the other colors. Yep, I was right. This is an easy adjustment. I just need to add a bit more white to the violet and the dull, cool pink. But I have definitely come a long way from the first color samples. Okay, I think this is as close as we're gonna get. These are matching up pretty good. I would be ready to start painting at this point. Remember to mix yourself enough paint because you don't want to go back and do all of these steps over again. You must have a minimum of 6 colors mixed for your image, but feel free to mix more colors if you want to. Good luck and have patience with this process.